In this video, I'm going to compare the two platforms which offer us 30 plus AI tools and the models in the one workflow which we can also automate. For example, this is the Phygital Plus, and here you can just get the different AI model for generating text, the videos, images, sound effects, even clone your voice and the 3D images as well. There's the same platform that is the DFirst, and here you can also generate the images, videos, the clone your voice, you can generate the voice, sound effects, and even generate the website and the coding stuff as well. So these two platforms has a different user interface, but the working system is this similar here, and both of the platforms right now available on the App Sumo with the lifetime deal here. So it's pretty much confusing which platform you should actually get it and invest your money, and either what kind of the stuff you can get in the both of the platforms. Is there any differences and what are the similarities? So all these questions will be the answer in this video with a detailed tutorial. I'm going to compare all the aspects in the step-by-step process. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So first let me talk about the platforms here. So first platform we have the Phygital Plus. This is the platform is offering you to content generation with 30 plus AI models in a single dashboard you can access here. And not only that, just you can access, you can just combine them and make your workflow. For example, here I have combined the Nano Banana with the Veo 3.1 here and created a workflow which can just turn the any image that will be generated into the detailed video here. The same thing I can do it here, and there's also the template section available that you will find the tons of these kind of the AI workflows where different AI tools and the models are combined with each other to give you the automate workflow for you. You have to just give or change the prompt, and the workflow automation will done for you here. Okay, now this is the second platform, that is the DFirst. This is the also platform gives you the access of multi-models AI tools in a single platform that you can use for almost generating any kind of the stuff here, where whether it's your images, videos, you can even generate the codes, you can generate the website. But let me tell you whether it's actually worth it or not here. So this is the platform here, and its dashboard is something like this similar of the Phygital Plus, but the user interface a little bit different. Here on the Phygital we can just select any of the AI models from here, and then we need to give the command, and after selecting the another model we can just combine them with these kind of these threads here. Okay, but in the Digital First I can just get to know that we have this little bit shortcut available on the dashboard here or the canvas here. I can just select on the image section, and now I have to give the prompt here, and after that based on this prompt this image will be generated here. So once the image is generated, let me just maximize a little bit here. You can see we have the some of the shortcuts like analyzing the video, generating the similar video, or referencing this video, or generating the video out of it, or generating the different assets. Okay, I can also click here on this plus icon, and this prompt editing option will be the enable here. Okay, let me select this one. If I click here on the and simply just open a thread here, this universal tool for entering the prompt, I can just enter anything and simply click here on the generate, it will start generating here. So this is how the DFirst work out here. And if I talk about this is only for the image section, where if I click here, and from here I can just select the different AI model for the images. If I go to the video, I have the same thing available, different AI models for the generating video. This is for the audio, this is for the text, this is for the coding or the website, this is for the research or scraping the internet, and this is for your AI assistant here. Okay, so now I have tested the platform creating the multiple stuff, like just I have done the same thing here. Okay, like I have just generated the image and then turned that image into the video here. Okay, so this is the simple things we can do it here, but what are the advanced things? Because I cannot able to find any templates here or the pre-designed things available that with the single click I can just customize. So it makes a little bit complicated because I have to test it out manually. If there is the templates, I can just simply with the one click I can import and start using that with my own content here. So this is what makes the DFirst a little bit complicated. You have to play along with all the features, you have to test out. And let me tell you, this is the warning here. While you are just testing out these features, your credits will be burned here, because the credit burns thing in the platform, especially for the generating videos, are a lot costlier compared to the Phygital here. If I go to the DFirst lifetime deal here, let me go to the pricing section. You can see the highest tier plan is the around tier 6, and it is only giving you the 1700 monthly credits. Okay, 1700, and if you are even going to generate the short videos like the 6 seconds, 8 seconds or the 10 seconds, it will cost you around the something 800 to 1200 credits just for this few seconds video here. But if I compare with the Phygital here, let me go to the pricing section. Its highest tier is giving you around the 45,000 credits per month, 45,000. Okay, so you can see here the credits you are getting in the DFirst is comparatively very low. Okay, and the burn ratio is comparatively high to the Phygital Plus, because here we are getting the 45,000 and creating the same video that you can generate in the DFirst around the 12 seconds. For example, this video, let me open up, let me maximize. You can see this video is around the 6 seconds. Let me maximize, around the 8 seconds. Sorry, this video is around the 8 seconds, but it cost me around the 900 credits. Just for the 8-second video, I have to pay the 900 credits. But I have done the same thing here on the Phygital Plus, and I have just choose the nano banana to give me this images frame and then turn into this video. And look at this video. The quality is outstanding. There's also the sound effects.
Block a frame earlier.
Okay, and this is the similar length, 8 seconds. But again, even if I am paying the 900 credits in this video, I have the tons of the credit still remaining, because the credits we are getting every month in the Phygital Plus lifetime deal is insane here. Okay, so this is the primary disadvantage I have found between the Phygital and the DFirst. Okay, and this is even going to think yourself, actually Phygital Plus giving you the more credits, more value according to the money here. The tier 5 plan is the $799, and while we in the tier 6 they paying the same pricing, but credits you can see just the 1700. Okay, now this is the credits we are getting in terms of the money. Okay, but what are about the features? So now I'm going to compare the feature. First, let me talk about the DFirst. Okay, this is the DFirst, and here in the DFirst you can see on the left side whether we can create the projects, and under the projects all these things will be the you can just start checking out. So right now I'm going to create a new project here. Okay, so simply click here on the new whiteboard. So in the new whiteboard, it is going to give you the empty section, and here we can just get in start. For example, this is all the sections to get started. We have this workflow templates available. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake here. In the DFirst I have talked about there is the no template section, but this is right now I just explored that they have also template sections available. So along with the Phygital Plus, you can see this is a template section. So in the DFirst we have also templates, so I am sorry about that misunderstanding. So in the template section you can see we have the templates for the marketing, documentation, creative development and the content creation, and this is all the 4 major things we can do here. So I'm going to go with the creative development, and let's see if there is the video generator or not. Let's go with the container, static April image to short form video, YouTube video to blog post, Instagram copy and the visual, product visual. So let me go with the static April image to the short form video. So this workflow is designed to quickly, efficiently transform a static April image into a dynamic short form video clip. Okay, I got it. Use this template here. So from the templates I am creating a workflow here, and now it will be the imported here. Okay, this is pretty much advanced template. Let me show you. So I'm maximize it. So now you can see about this workflow. Here you will get to know how the things work like. This workflow is created by the best cost which, okay, no worries. So let me see how this works out. So create the model here, create the model, enter a model prompt here. So you have to first create the model, like what is your model, who is going to wear this April. So you have to add that, and after that in this model you have to add the model prompt. Then this is the artistic image it is going to generate, and this is okay. Although this is the template, but this is empty kind of the stuff. You have to start adding the things, start testing out the things, and after that you will start getting the results here. You can see all these templates are pretty much empty here, and I am a little bit confused because even if I am going to start playing out and filling out all this stuff, it is going to burn me all the credits. So still I am really confused here. So no worries, this is how the workflow or any whiteboard you are going to create is look like and work out. From here I can just also click here on the text model. If I'm going to select the text model, it will simply add this text model in this canvas here. So let me go here a little bit, click here, and now this is a text model I have added. In the text model I can add anything, okay, any text, and then this text I can just turn into the images, videos, kind of this stuff, because this is the shortcuts I can show you. Okay, the same thing goes for the images. I can select for, go to the image and select any image model here, and then I will add the prompt, it will generate the images. Same thing for the video, audio, research. I can even scrape the internet. So this is the thing I am really excited in the DFirst, because scraping the internet here is really I can do in the canvas while automating my workflow. Okay, so this is stuff not available in the Phygital Plus, because Phygital Plus is especially built for the content generation, while DFirst is something like the all-in-one. You can do the content generation, you can just scrape the internet, you can research it, you can just create the workflows, you can create the any kind of the coding file here. So in terms of the features and the capabilities of the generating, DFirst give you the edge here. Okay, along with the content you can also generate the coding website kind of the stuff here. But what I like it here is the quality in the Phygital, because we have the tons of the credits we are getting, we can just constantly improve the quality of the content here. For example, I can just manually build the different kind of the workflows. So if I go to the another project, let me create a new project here, go to the project list, I will click here on the new project, and this is how basically you are creating a new project. So create a new project, this is the pretty much empty. I can either go to the template section and select the any of the templates, and these templates will be the pre-filled. Okay, you don't have to get started with the empty one. For example, I want to just stylize logo here, combining two images. So these are the pretty much easy things. So I will select this one, add template, and now you can see they are the pretty much pre-filled here. Okay, I got the image, I got the logo, and this is how the results. Okay, this is how the result. So now what I can do, I can just change the image here, or I can just change the my prompt here. Simply I have to upload. I know what kind of the results I can expect from this template, so I know how to think, how to add the new things, and what kind of the result I will get it in. So the templates you are getting in the Phygital is the pre-filled compared to the DFirst. That's why I'm telling that the quality you are getting in the Phygital Plus is good compared to the DFirst here. Okay, now let me talk about the other stuff or the other features you will get in the both platforms. So in the Phygital Plus you are getting the documentation and the learning stuff that can help you to understand the platform better. And not only that, there's also this Ask AI section available for the every model you will select here. There's the Ask AI section available that will let you easily understand what kind of this AI thing can do for you. Even if you are getting stuck, you have a professional chat prompt section or the AI assistant available to give you the understanding of that AI model that you are working with. So that is really easy. Then the next feature what I liked here, you can train your model here. Although it can cost you the thousands of the credits, but it can give you the model that especially trained and built for you. Okay, I like that one. Okay, so these two features makes really special things in the Phygital Plus. But if I go to the DFirst, here I have talked about all the features it has available. It has also the tutorials available, and there's also the AI agent section available similar to the Phygital Plus here, but I cannot get to know especially for that AI model. Like I have this Phygital Plus and I can add any kind of the AI model here, and this is the option that especially for that AI model. Okay, you have to talk about the model or the thing you want to ask. So that is the difference. Now here is the ending of this video and the conclusion, because I almost talk about all the major things of the both of the platforms and the results I have showed you. Okay, now what are the suggestion of mine? So over the DFirst I am going to select the Phygital Plus, because I want it for the especially for the content generation, because if I want to scrape the data, there are the individual tools available. If I have to generate the websites or the coding stuff, there's the individual tools. Why want to I mix it here? Okay, because the data I am going to, or results I am going to get, is not that much of the good quality here in the DFirst. Let me give you the clear answer of me. So that's why I am going to first select the Phygital. This will be my first selection here, but it doesn't mean the DFirst is wrong here. You have to test along, and the features you have seen is the pretty much available on the screen, but the credits we are getting is too low we are getting, and it doesn't feels like the worth it, the pricing we are paying. That's why in terms of the pricing we are paying or the value we are getting in terms of the credit, Phygital Plus is worth it. So in my suggestion, Phygital Plus is the clear winner in this comparison. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to check it out, Phygital Plus lifetime deal, I have just given the link in the description. And there's also detailed videos. You can find both of the platforms on my channel, Phygital Plus review and the DFirst review. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel to stay updated.